take the power and forget about the youth. They hide the answers and they bury all the truth. But we not bow down to the pressure anymore. We've been through the fire and we're stronger than before. Every man, every woman, every youth unite. This is the moment, stand tall for your rights. Rise up and fight for the people, them rights. Stand up and shine like a fire in the night. Hold on, we strong, we not losing this fight. Rise up, rise up, rise up and fight. Rise up and fight for justice and life. No more corruption, no more sacrifice. Hold on, we strong, we guided by the light. Rise up, rise up, rise up and fight. Keep the poor down, then smile in our face when election come round. But we see the trickery, we see the dirty plan. We're tired of the promises, we're tired of the scam. So tell the ghetto youth, hold firm and be bold. Your voice is fire, it's worth more than gold. When the people come together, mountains shake, every chain break when the warriors awake. Rise up and fight for the people, them right. Stand up and shine like a fire in the night. Hold on, we strong, we not losing this fight. Rise up, rise up, rise up and fight. Rise up and fight for justice and life. No more corruption, no more sacrifice. Hold on, we strong, we guided by the light. Rise up, rise up, rise up and fight. Jah is the guide and the truth is the way. No wicked power can lead us astray. Rise up, my people, rise up. The battle is long, but the victory is sweet. Rise up and fight. No matter where you come from, no matter your struggle, you have a voice, you have a purpose, and you have the right to stand for your rights. They try to tell you keep quiet and stay in your line, but how can you be silent when justice declines? They break the spirit of the youth and call it design, but freedom knows something they can redefine. For too long the poor man carried the load, walking through life on a winding road. Yet even in sorrow, Jah fire explode, a flame of courage that never erode. You got the right to speak your truth, the right to defend the dreams of the youth, the right to seek justice and stand on proof. No system can take that from you. Stand for your rights, stand strong tonight. No backing down, keep holding the light. Stand for your rights, stand firm and fight for truth, for freedom, for what is right. Stand for your rights, rise up and say, my life matter in every way. Stand for your rights, come what may. Jah guide the steps we walk today. Some will try break you with words full of doubt. Some will try silence what you talk about. Some will try fence your spirit around, but you are a lion destined to shout. The world belongs to the brave and wise, not the ones who manipulate and disguise. So open your voice and let justice rise. A chorus of truth they can never neutralize. When the people unite, the barriers fall. What seemed impossible, answer the call. The strongest power is the strength of us all. We rise like a wave, unshakable and tall. Stand for your rights, stand every name. So let the nation hear your sound. Let every corner feel the rebound. Stand like a lion guarding sacred ground. Freedom, rhythm, truth unbound. Lift up the broken, strengthen the weak. Be the voice the silent ones seek. Let your courage shine every day of the week. A revolution of hearts, pure and unique. You are the hope that tomorrow will see. The one who refuses to bow or flee. Stand for your rights and you'll always be a champion of truth, brave and free. Stand for your rights, stand strong tonight. No backing down, keep holding the light. Stand for your rights, stand firm and fight for truth, for freedom, for what is right. Stand for your rights, rise up and say, my life matter in every way. Stand for your rights, come what may. Jah guide the steps we walk today. Stand my brother, stand my sister. Stand for every dream they tried to steal. Stand for every child born into struggle. Stand for every right Jah placed within you. And never bow to oppression. Your rights are your power. Stand for them. Must one day crumble. Every wall that divide the people must fall to the ground. Jah word can't fail. Babylon build up them walls so high, thinking the people will never question why. They hide the truth and they glorify lie, but the spirit of the poor can never comply. They turn the youth into numbers and tools, breaking our pride in their systems and schools. But wisdom grows stronger outside of their roots. The lion awake and he no play for fools. From the gutters to the hills a new fire burn, every heart beating with a will to return. For justice we marching as the tables turn. Babylon go learn what they refuse to learn. Babylon walls must fall. Every stone, every chain, every wicked protocol. Babylon walls must fall. For the people rise up and the power stand tall. Babylon walls must fall. No force on earth stronger than Jah call. Babylon walls must fall. We break the borders and tear down it all. Look how the system feeds on the weak, crushing the ones who can barely speak, turning the rich into God so sleek, while the poor fight war every day of the week. But the clock keeps ticking for the wicked throne, for truth is a river cutting through stone. The power of love once fully known can scatter every army Babylon known. We chant in the psalms of the freedom fight, voices united like thunder at night, warriors rising with spiritual might. Babylon trembling at the sight. Babylon walls must fall. Every stone, every chain, every wicked protocol. Babylon walls must fall. For the people rise up and the power stand tall. Babylon walls must fall. No force on earth stronger than Jah call. Babylon walls must fall. We break the borders and tear down it all. Beat the drum, let the truth unfold. Fire burn lies that the wicked man told. Stand firm warriors, brave and bold. The prophecy written from days of old. March as one, never retreat. Feel the heartbeat, thunder your feet when the people rise. Babylon defeat, freedom rhythm, steady and sweet. They build prison walls to contain our mind, teaching we only what they want us to find. But the spirit of Jah move unconfined, breaking every chain they design. The mothers are crying for sons led astray, victims of systems that lead them away. But sunrise promise a brand new day, where justice reign in every way. So gather the soldiers with courage strong, gather the elders who guide us along. Truth is the melody, this is the song. Babylon time up, they can't last long. Babylon walls must fall, every stone, every chain, every wicked protocol. Babylon walls must fall, for the people rise up and the power stand tall. Babylon walls must fall, no force on earth stronger than Jacob. Babylon walls must fall, we break the borders and tear down it all. Oppression can't live forever, the people memory strong. Yeah. The truth more powerful than iron or steel. Yeah. And when the time comes, every wall of Babylon must fall. Every man, every woman, every child, no matter where they're born, have a natural right to peace, let it be known. We're tired of the violence, tired of the fear, tired of the leaders who don't really care, tired of the lies that poison the air, tired of the systems that never play fair. People just want a chance to breathe, a little room for their soul to believe, a moment of safety to plant and achieve, not a life where they live and grieve. See the mothers praying for their sons, begging Jah to protect their only ones. See the fathers working till the daylight done, still struggle to bring home a little income. We got the right to live in peace, right to grow, right to increase, right to a life where the pressure cease. We got the right to live in peace. We got the right to stand as one, under the moon, under the sun, a world where the healing has begun. We got the right, every daughter and son. Oh, every daughter and son. Oh, why should a child sleep with hunger inside? Why should our youth live with pain they hide? Why must the innocent run and divide, when peace is Jah gift to the whole world wide? Why should the rich keep rising so tall, while the poor man struggle and stumble and fall? Why must injustice decide who stands small, when peace was meant to belong to us all? Look in the eyes of your neighbor today, you will see dreams that look just like yours in every way. So why do we fight and break what we pray? Let unity guide us and show the way. We got a right to live in peace, right to grow, right to increase, right to a life where the pressure cease. We got the right to live in peace. We got the right to stand as one, under the moon, under the sun, a world where the healing has begun. We got the right, every daughter and son. Every daughter and son. If we hold hands, the world can heal. If we speak love, the truth reveal. If we break hate, Jah peace we feel. Let righteousness be the seal. One people, one song, one heartbeat, walking on the same road with humble feet. When peace take over the city street, the whole world rise and the joy complete. So let the youth them dream without fear, let the elders rest with comfort near. Let every home be a place sincere, where love is the language everybody hear. Peace no belong to the gun or the crown, peace no belong to who try keep you down. Peace is for every village and town, a jewel Jah place on humanity's crown. So lift your voice and let justice speak. Let freedom strengthen the hearts of the weak. Let the power of unity reach its peak. We're living in peace, that's must be protected. Let peace live in every heart, every home, every land. Fighting for a future that's yet to unfold, carrying the weight that's heavy and old, stories of pain that were never told. Some grow in the shadows where hunger lives, learning early how the strong must give, carving a path no one else could conceive, still finding the courage to rise and believe. Their eyes tell tales of nights without rest, dreams interrupted or put to the test, yet in every heartbeat within their chest lies a fire refusing to be suppressed. Children of the struggle, lift your head high. You were born to survive, you were born to fly. No matter the storm or the tears you cry, you are the sunrise breaking the sky. Children of the struggle, strong from the start, warriors of spirit, full of brave heart. One day the world will honor your part. You are the rhythm, the truth, the art. Some walk the streets with nowhere to go, searching for love that the world never showed, trying to smile but the pain overflow. Still they hold dreams nobody can overthrow, raised in a system that failed them each day, taught to be silent, taught to obey, but inside their soul a lion say, you are more than what they display. Against all odds they push and climb, creating light in the darkest time. Their footsteps drum a resilient rhyme, hope in flesh, strength in crime. Children of the struggle, lift your head high. You were born to survive, you were born to fly. No matter the storm or the tears you cry, you are the sunrise breaking the sky. Children of the struggle, strong from the start, warriors of spirit, full of brave heart. One day the world will honor your part. You are the rhythm, the truth, the art.
Hold on, even when the road is long. Hold on, you are the heartbeat of this song. Hold on, Jah make the weak one strong. Hold on, the night won't last for long.
Some lose their parents, some lose their way, some lose their innocence early in the day, yet somehow they manage to kneel and pray, begging Jah guidance to show them the way. Look how they gather and help one another, how they share pain like sister and brother. Their unity shine like no other, reminding the world why we must recover. So let this message echo wide, let it uplift the ones cast aside, for the children of the struggle worldwide. Jah walk with you side by side. Children of the struggle, lift your head high. You were born to survive, you were born to fly. No matter the storm or the tears you cry, you are the sunrise breaking the sky. Children of the struggle, strong from the start, warriors of spirit, full of brave heart. One day the world will honor your part. You are the rhythm, the truth, the art.
To every youth in the ghettos, the villages, the cities, your story matters, your pain matters, your voice matters, and your future is brighter than the world told you.
It is your breath inside every man and woman. Claim it. They try to tell we freedom must be earned, but how can you earn what you already deserve? Born with the right to live and to learn. Born with the fire no chain can preserve. From the cradle we were given a voice, a mind to think and a heart to choose. But Babylon twisted and call it their choice, giving you options designed to make you lose. Still we rise, even when the road is rough. Still we smile, though the journey is tough. Cause deep in the soul we carry the proof. The freedom within is more than enough. We own the freedom, it's in our veins. No system, no power can lock these chains. Jah give the right and Jah truth remains. We own the freedom, remember the name. We own the freedom, stand up tall. No matter the pressure, we will not fall. Born as a lion, answer the call. We own the freedom, freedom for all. Freedom for all. Look how the youth them searching for light. Dreams in their eyes, but they're living in fight. Trying to survive in the cold of the night, while leaders protect only their birthright. But freedom no belong to the few at the top. It belong to the farmer, the vendor, the shop. To the mother who hustle and pray without stop. To the child in the classroom climbing to the top. When the people rise with unity strong, the power of truth will silence the wrong. Every heartbeat becomes a freedom song, a chant that tell the whole world we belong. We own the freedom, it's in our veins. No system, no power can lock these chains. Jah give the right and Jah truth remains. We own the freedom, remember the name. We own the freedom, stand up tall. No matter the pressure, we will not fall. Born as a lion, answer the call. We own the freedom, freedom for all. Freedom for all. Freedom for all. Yeah. Claim it, the right to be free. Live it like the waves of the sea. No man on earth can take this from me. My freedom is my identity. Hear it, the cry of the youth. Feel it, the power of truth. Stand up, rise up, we're strong and resolute. Freedom rooted deep like a tree with a root. Even when the world try hold you down, keep your head high, don't ever drown. Jah light within you, wear like a crown, a beacon of hope for every town. Freedom no come by waiting in fear. Freedom no come when your voice disappear. Speak with courage, let the whole world hear. Freedom is life and life must be clear. So gather the warriors, gather the strong, gather the wise who